should ask those
commercial disaster, isn't it?
you should ask those critics.
Marketing.
I don't think anything went wrong.
What was the prospect of that?
No, I'm sorry?
What was the prospect after that? Did you look at and see what?
Hell no.
No.
Absolutely not. See,
No,
you.
but you must talk about the marketing. I mean,
I will.
the movie
I-
needs.
Yeah. If you're asking me what went wrong in a clinical way, I can tell you. The movie was released with total confusion. It was released during that period when there was the exhibitors and producer strike,
Yeah.
when all the multiplexes went on strike. No one knew that this was the only film that was allowed to release. So we released during the strike. We were the only guys who released during the strike. The film came in with absolutely no marketing. Absolutely. It was just released with just an ad. So from what are the things that we do to ensure that a film works? And we didn't pay the critics enough money, so that's also a mistake that we continue to do, which we probably should change. But those are, if you have a checklist of what are the things you need to do before you release a film, those are some of the things that we did not do. Having said that, you said, do I subject myself to retrospection? The answer is absolutely no. A film is a function of time. If I look at Hyderabad Blues now, I cringe. Y'all don't, I do, because I have changed so much as a filmmaker. I've changed as a human being, I've changed as a filmmaker. That's why your favorite films that you grew up thinking was just absolutely the bomb, you now watch it and you're like, what the hell was I thinking? So if you as a viewer are doing that on a continuous basis, imagine what's going on in my head.
No, the point is this, like, it doesn't go in line with your image of your filmmaking, 8-bit and ethics.
Oh,
so
see,
that's a big disparity that people can take.
valid question, but the truth is, I don't know what my brand of filmmaking is. If you start, Hyderabad Blues and Rockford have nothing in common other than the fact that they're English language speaking films. Okay, two of those happen, then comes Bollywood calling. After Bollywood calling, and understand that each time I switch tracks and go and do something else, we have the worst time raising money. Every time Eli is out there in front of an investor, they're like, what is his kind of film? They don't know. Following Bollywood calling came a film about three guys sitting and talking in a prison cell. So I have not followed a format. Now the unfortunate part is, as far as the Hindi-speaking audience is concerned, the first movie was Iqbal. A lot of people think I started my career with Iqbal. Seriously, other than the hardcore audiences who followed me for a while, a lot of people think that आपकी पहली पिक्चर इकबाल बढ़िया है, उसके बाद क्या बना है? I mean, they don't know कुछ नहीं. So you don't realize that other than the hardcore film followers, not many people keep with the general image. So they go with Iqbal, even the business, they go with Iqbal, they go with Dor. Then supposedly all the rules were broken. So people were appalled and pissed off with Bombay to Bangkok. And I'm sure there'll be one person here. It's always in a no, the producer doesn't come. There's one more. Very lovely. Hey, there's a massive audience. So, yeah. So if you change tracks, people say that you're shifting. My whole point is, a filmmaker should have a track. Why should there be a Mani Ratnam film? Why should there be a K. Vishwanath film? The greatest Telugu filmmaker, K. Vishwanath, tries to make the same film over and over again, see what he's done. After 4 or 5 of the most amazing films in the Telugu language ever made, he again tries to go back and, I want to reinvent myself with every film. Try and make a film which I haven't made before. That's my whole game. Now with 8x10, people get pissed off, they say this is not your cup of tea. Guess what? I've written a horror film. A blood and gore horror film. Yeah. People will be, Iqbal, what's wrong with you, man? But it's me as a filmmaker. This is a sci-fi action film. I've just written stuff which I'm passionate about. Whether it will get made or not is a secondary thing.